So, this is a final video to show you how to front mount the Artic Liquid Freezer 3 Pro 420mm AIO in your Lian Li Lancool 3. And if you've been struggling to fit it properly, you're not alone. Many users face this problem because the front panel space and the radiator size make it tricky, and most tutorials online either skip steps or use complicated instructions that confuse you. On Rexist, I'll share a simple trick that lets you mount the AIO without removing your motherboard or fighting with cables. All you need is to slightly adjust the fan position, align the radiator with the top screws first, and then gently secure it from the bottom, and it fits perfectly every time. If you want, I can make a full step-by-step tutorial showing every screw and cable placement. So comment below and let me know, and I'll guide you through the entire process on Rexist.